Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need concrete proof right now. Gather the original file, timestamps, and clear screenshots. Once done, export metadata and note where content appears on Facebook, posts, pages, groups, or ads. Make sure to record post URLs and any user comments that prove copying. Next, identify your claim type, exclusive ownership, licensed use, or fair use dispute, and choose the correct Facebook form or rights manager workflow. This accelerates removal and preserves legal options. You must fill the DMCA notice with precise details, your contact, a clear description of copyrighted work, the infringing URLs, and a statement under penalty of perjury. Once submitted, track the case ID and expect a counter notice option from the uploader. Make sure to respond within platform deadlines. If the uploader files a counter notice, you can seek a court order. Also use rights manager rules to automate future removals and reduce manual workload. You finish by enforcing rights. If Facebook denies relief or a counter notice reinstates content, consult a DMCA attorney or consider a local court filing to obtain a takedown order. Once done, harden prevention, add visible watermarks, embed license metadata, and apply rights manager rules for recurring offenders. Make sure to preserve all evidence and correspondence. If Facebook rejects your claim, gather additional proof and submit an appeal or new claim with clarified ownership documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.